Find the sample size needed to estimate the percentage of adults who can wiggle their ears. Use a margin of error of 1 percentage point and use a confidence level of 95%. Part A, assume that P hat and Q hat are unknown. So that means that the sample proportion, P hat and Q hat, are not given. So the sample proportion is not given, or the point estimate is not given. So we're going to assume that P hat is 0.5. The sample proportion or the target proportion is not given, so we're going to assume it's 0.5. So let's use StatCrunch. We're working with proportions. So we're going to go on proportion stat, one sample, and we're trying to find sample size. So scroll down to width/sample size. Okay, so let's erase everything. And complete all the information. We're working with a 95% confidence. So this is going to be 0.95. Target proportion, again, P hat is not given. The point estimate is not given. So P hat, or sample proportion, we're going to assume that it's 0.5. And then the width of the interval is going to be margin of error times 2. So margin of error is 1 percentage point. Converted to decimal, it's going to be 0.01. And we're going to multiply that times 2. Once I click compute, this will give me the sample size. So the sample size is 9,604. Now, in part B says, assume that 24% of adults can wiggle their ears. So based on previous study, this is what they have. So now this is going to be our new target proportion. So the confidence level doesn't change. Target proportion is now 0.24. The width doesn't change. It's still the same. It's still 1 percentage point times 2. So margin of error times 2. And once I click compute, this will give me the sample size. So 7,007.